Dinner open, time to clean out the garage.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pink's going crazy. This is our new little doggy. Done.
Why are you selling it? Because everyone knows I love this car.
Come on. Is it still really far away?
Yeah.
Saying family mart this convenient in Japan. First stop of the day. I don't know if you guys have these things overseas, but here in Japan there's like cardboard recycling places. My car gets filled up like pretty much every day with stuff from the yard, mainly Hero, but also other parts that get repackaged, so you end up with a lot of cardboard. So I just dropped off a whole trunk load on my way home last night, now on my way to work this morning with a whole bunch more. So basically fold it as flat as possible and chuck it in here. Done. They're saying family mart this convenient in Japan is like the most second most popular place to buy chicken. They've got all the Christmas stuff there. Sweets. But what are we gonna have for breakfast? These are all pretty good. I think I'm gonna try bacon and scrambled egg hot sandwich. And all the foreigners who come over, like the pizza man, they get this like fondant chocolate in a one of those. Here we go. And with cinnamon topping, she's gonna be perfect. What was that, Mana?
No, I don't say that.
Feels so good. Yeah. Tink's going crazy. This is our new little doggy. If you've never been to Japan before, the coffee at the convenience stores is super, super good. Alright, let's get on the road. We've got a big day ahead. Stop.
You know who made it.
Like, people always come to Japan and see like these wooden traditional houses and think it's like all super cool, but I found one that's even cooler or even more interesting is this one. Check out the lack of windows on this thing. It's like a square cube with like little tiny slits. I'm always like, who designed this? Whenever I drive past it, it's like every day on my way to the yard, I'm like just wondering forever.
What?
I don't know.
That car.
Let me know.
Did you see that?
Some K car.
Yeah, but it looks like Alpha.
Yeah.
That's Alpha.
Official delivery this morning from Mr. Splash. Good friend Ryota. I'll drop his company down below. He does all stickers and stuff to me. So this one isn't stickers, but something cool we've been wanting to do for a while. The box says he sent me potato chips, but I don't think that's what's inside. And here we go. These look sick. Check out that. Tweed logo, new design t-shirt.
Sorry. Excuse me.
And then hoodie. Really like, I think I like the hoodie more, the logo. It's this is our like, Tweed-autogarage, but in katakana. And then Shiga, Japan, which is where our shop's located. And here's the back. It's the same as the t-shirt. Yeah, I'm stoked on these. They look sweet. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to put this one on today because this is a little bit dirty. I think this is cool. Yeah?
Okay.
And yeah, we're obviously busy end of the year getting everything out, so that's why the place is such a mess, but honestly it's usually pretty packed anyway. Done.
So stupid.
Love the technology we have now. But yeah, how does it look? How do I look?
Not bad.
Look like $1 million, right?
Okay.
And you can too. These actually aren't for sale yet, but if you guys like them, we'll put them up on our website and get some more made. Probably do a pre-order, but yeah, let me know if you guys want a t-shirt or a hoodie.
コメントよろしく。
Comment, it's winter now in Japan, so, and in America and stuff, so hoodies are sick, or in New Zealand and Australia, summer, so be rocking this in summer and this now. Right, but anyway, the reason why everything is like this is because end of year in Japan, we have, what is it called?
大掃除。
Osoji, which basically means like O, which is like oi, and then soji is like big cleaning. So
We're gonna clean up everything for next year, like New Year.
so you're gonna make everything fresh for New Year, and then have a nice setup. And so what I've been thinking, this is all part of the plan. I want to set a simulator rig up here, and then through the garage, more just stuff everywhere. But I want to clean this all up, and now that people can come over from overseas, I want to have it more guest friendly, have it looking like a cool setup, have the sim rig which people can play on, have these cars all looking nice, and more of a shop to come and check out and hang out. If you guys have any suggestions of what would be cool in here, I want to get some of those like
Tapestry.
not tapestry, like those Liberty flags that everyone has up in their garage. And like, 'cause this wall looks all boring, it's all just like wood. So I think it'd be cool. And then, yeah, let me know what would be cool in here. But today, I'm gonna clean all this up and make it all fresh and get rid of all the junk we don't need, because there's a whole bunch of stuff we just don't need. And also I'm going to go talk to you guys about what's happening with the two cars. So basically, if you guys follow me on Instagram, my shop or my personal, I'll add my shop down below, but basically we export cars and parts out of Japan. I had listed this up for sale, but mainly I got people, friends and stuff, I'm like, why are you selling it? Because like everyone knows I love this car. And the reason was I wanted to bring my S13 over from New Zealand and get a truck just so I could drive the tracks more easy and kind of make that happen faster. But after sitting on it for a while, I think I'm probably not going to sell this. I'm going to make this into more of a nicer car. It's just run out of car inspection, so update that. And then going on to next year, well, starting from this week, well, you would have already seen the videos. I've already started uploading by this point. We're going to be start uploading to YouTube every week, and what that's going to mean is we're going to be building this car, having this like a street legal car that I can take to the circuit that's also nice and looks cool. And then we're going to have this FC, which will be more of a practice car. This one won't be street legal, and we're going to be building this in a way I know I'm excited for, and I think a lot of you will be as well. I haven't really seen someone do something quite like this on YouTube before, so really excited to show you guys this. And it's got a car that I can kind of push driving in as well, because it's got no paperwork, so basically it'll never be on the road, it'll never be exported, so it doesn't have like a large value attached to it, so it's not really a waste. So that'll be fun. I'm really excited to build this one. It'll be a simple build, but I think it'll be something a lot of you will really like. I know I'm pretty excited for it. But anyway, we're going to get on to cleaning up and get this done, because we're still busy with orders as well. Open her up in time to clean out the garage. Oh. What's going on in there?
Yeah, they were mine.
Too easy, eh?
You don't know how hard with my short leg.
Is it still really far away?
Yeah, like I need to hold so
Yeah.
much stronger. Not enough my legs. Ah, so smelly.
Oh no, that seat rail is really hard to adjust. It's like some are like real easy, but that one seems to be real hard to move back and forth. No, you can't get out, can you?
Ah, so stinky. But
This is make it more quiet. Or you take it off and on easy.
yeah.
First we're gonna get the broom. Can you put that other little broom down?
What is it?
The little
Oh, tank.
But no, we're gonna check out, we've got a heap of batteries that are old and dead. Got these and some other ones. Sort out all the rubbish, organize all the wheels and tires. Other random metal, and it's just dirty everywhere, so big end of year cleanup. FC is currently getting knuckles done, so I can't drive it out, so we'll have to do that another time, but we'll be able to get around everywhere else, and at least we've got this big space here now opened up.
Why you bought the short one?
For you. Alright, let's get it done. And chill in here so she doesn't get all dirty. There's stuff everywhere.
Oh, keep open?
Hmm?
Keep open.
Yeah, keep open.
Okay.
Because she's on like a lead, yeah?
Yeah.
Where's Mummy going? Let's go, Mana.
What's that?
What are we gonna get? We're
I
at
think you want this one.
Sukiyaki.
Chicken no sukiyaki.
How would you explain this place? It's like everything kind of.
Yeah.
It's like Japanese hot pot, but then they've also got like tempura, chicken, potato chips, sushi, drink bar, and then just their normal menu.
Oh, what's this one, Jordan? Nabe and yakiniku.
Oh, we got like yakiniku here too.
Put nabe here.
So it looks like it's got like a nabe around the yakiniku plate. Whoa.
Beef steak,
Is that? Oh, it's got steak too.
pork steak, beef steak.
Alright, so what do we have? We got sukiyaki and some spicy one. And then beef. Just like a whole lot of meat. So we'll show you what you do in a sec. And then veggies. So you basically just chuck it all in here and wait for it to cook. And basically, once all our meat and veggies have cooked, you dip it into here and it's like double sauce. That's how it works. Trust me, it's good.
Dude. It's good though.
Okay. See how good it is. Not as good as home, but it's good. Oh, look at that, we got a tin don.
I'm not gonna get make a big one. Ah, yeah,
It's the RX-7. Already got this black guy, so I want to get any okay, but I want to get the white one. Come on.
Oh!
Yellow one. Sick. Yellow FD.
He's sick.
Just got back to home now. My new prize, my little RX-7. Here's the one I got the other day, the FC in black. My black coffee. I'm gonna finish this off for the day. Get through some emails and messages. But yeah, here's it all before assembly. It's actually pretty intricate. You can choose like pop-up headlights or not pop-up headlights. It's like a bolt-on spoiler, or the bonnet comes off separately. So you've got the little 13B in there. You can choose like your wheels and stuff too. Yeah, I'm pretty knackered, so this will probably be it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.